Greetings to all Nigerians. I dey greet all Nigerians where na dey, where you dey for in the diaspora, where you dey for Nigeria. I greet everybody. My brothers and sisters, I hope una dey hear my voice. I say make I thank every one of una wey be say una take this opportunity take join us for this exercise of prayers wey we dey do. Today na the 5th day of our prayer. As we dey pray for the betterment of Nigeria, I wan make you know something. If you dey pray make Nigeria get peace, you go get peace. If you dey pray for the blessings of Nigeria, my brother, your blessing no go pass you by. As you dey pray for Nigeria, na so you dey pray for yourself. I thank every one of una wey pay the sacrifice say na go join for this prayer. May God bless una. And for those of una wey never join this prayer, make una try join us. Time still dey. Join us for prayer. If we one day prayer from you fit save this country. Maybe na your voice God dey wait for make it dey heal this country. Wetin we dey go through for this country, my brother, somehow if you check am well, it dey happen for other countries. So, but the way we take dey approach our own situation, come like say our own too worst. But I beg every one of us, no matter the anger wey dey your body, make you no forget Nigeria is still your home. Nigeria na where you come from. So make we pray for the peace of Nigeria. It go better for us, my brother. Because when you pray for the peace of Nigeria, you dey pray for your papa, you dey pray for your mama, you dey pray for the saving of everybody. I beg you now. We no want war for this country. That we say make we pray. May God protect this country. May God intervene. May God help us. Make we stand together as one. May God bless everybody. Please join us for this prayer if you hear the sound of my voice. And for those of you who never join our platform, this is Nigeria Rise Initiative worldwide. If you go for YouTube, we dey YouTube. If you see us on our YouTube, make you click on that subscribe. You're going to get our subsequent messages. Make you dey updated because information na power. I beg una. Make una try come together. Make we see say we fit build this country to a better one where all of us go stay, we go enjoy. Because you need to enjoy Nigeria. Now your home. But now wetin you plant, you go reap. The word of God no go even pass by you. Say wetin man sow, now that thing go reap. Wetin we dey plant for Nigeria today, now we dey reap, my brothers and sisters. No be better thing if you open mouth say Nigeria no good. No be better thing. As soon as you say Nigeria no good, be say you dey tell yourself and the world say you no good. Now yourself you dey sell. Thank you very much, my brother. And if you never join us for our platform, this na Nigeria Rise Initiative. Make you join us for our WhatsApp platform, the biggest platform so far in the world. Join us today on this platform with this number. +601 135 483 733. Again, join us for this number. +601 135 483 733. Join us, my brother. We dey build Nigerian people together because time don show we wan form this masses voice wey go dey checkmate government. Well, we don strong for this our masses voice. This our masses voice no need tribalism. If you be the kind person wey dey carry tribalism for head, no need for you to join us at all because you no go dey relevant. If you be person wey carry religion for head, no need to join us because you no go dey relevant. Wetin we need na pure Nigerians with a good heart to make sure say Nigeria good and we dey build together. Thank you very much. My brothers and sisters, the hour don reach wey be say I wan talk some kind truths. And this truth, my brothers and sisters, make we put ear down so that you go understand wetin I talk before you go dey vex. Time don reach wey IPOB leaders go call the attention of some Igbo people wey dey go out for protest. Time don reach wey IPOB leaders go call them to order. Igbo people don't die too much. Igbo people don't die too much. Make una the reason now. Must it be every day Igbo man go dey die? Make una dey think. IPOB leaders, e get as they do something. Make una follow principle of things. Follow this agitation in a direct way. Make we follow agitation in the direct way. This same thing where we dey look for, other people dey look for am. But na systematic they take dey do am, my brother. Soup wey hot na small they take dey lick am. If you rush am, you go pit on. Now make I tell IPOB one story. One man dey go shit. As the man dey go shit, the man come first clean yansh. After I clean yansh finish, before I come go shit, come wear nika. My brother, sense dey there, sense no dey. Pikin wey no know wetin kill him papa, wetin kill him papa go kill am. Na the truth be that. Make I tell all Nigerians this. Nigerian people, the manners wey we take dey live for Nigeria dey affect us, but we no know. Make una dey hear me clear and hear me with wisdom. Before you go vex, say wetin this man dey talk, this man dey talk rubbish. Calm down, hear me well. My name na Sir Wedson Henry Chukwudi, the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative Worldwide. Na me dey send this message, and na the truth I dey carry come. Now make we come calculate. If you check well for the whole Nigeria, do you know say over 27,000 people don't die? 27,000 people don't die since the day Muhammad Buhari open mouth say he go destabilize the government of Goodluck. Since that day, 27,000 over don't die. This same Buhari can later become president of Nigeria. He promised all Nigeria, say he will defeat Boko Haram. This same Buhari can defeat Boko Haram, can install S-men will be own people from his own tribe. He can install them. S-men, they keep people anyhow. Muhammad Buhari know they talk. This same Muhammad Buhari now go for east, go destroy IPOP, pursue IPOP leader come out, come scatter everywhere. Nigeria economy don't put belly for ground. Common agitation where ndị Igbo do, some people do. That Buhari see as threat of war, where make and go empty Nigeria purse. They order for bullets, they order for gun, they order for every ammunition. Because of this threat where Muhammad Buhari go fit call people together, say make we reason this country na me be na leader, making settle things systematically. Just only agitation. Muhammad Buhari no understand that. Muhammad Buhari can't carry war, give IPOP people. Now, no be that one be my problem. My problem come be say this same Buhari make we vote and come out. The same IPOP people where they don't kill many of them, pursue their leader come out. The same IPOP people say election no go hold. And then my problem there. IPOP people, make I tell you the truth. Decision when man take, now two things go happen to man. For inside man decision, either your decision make you or destroy you. Make I ask IPOP people and the IPOP leader this question. Now we declare say Muhammad Buhari don't die, na Jubilee, na day for Nigeria government. Now the same Jubilee, now they kill Unao. Now the same Jubilee, pursue na leader come out to. Now the same Jubilee, say for na leader come back, war go day. Now, Nigeria don't come turn to the face of that Jubilee. Make we vote and come out. Una can say over sense they disturb una say no election. Make I tell una, like some people who I talk to today, they say whether Igbo people vote or no vote, Jubilee must lose. I tell them, say, listen to me. Now, there Igbo people don't know till they call politics. If you no agree vote, you are giving the government big chance to rig the election. Why? They go bring that election, come for the area where people no vote. Now, from there, they go from gather number, where they will take complete number of votes, where they win. That is why every Igbo man must to vote. That is why there must be voting in Igbo land, so that we can cover the space of the rigging. But we dey give chance to the same man where we call Jubilee, make it take us get advantage, they rig election. And una dey happy put. IPOP people make una dey tell yourself the truth. Tell yourself the truth and nothing but the truth. Reason before you talk. If this man, whether they call Jubilee, rig election, still enter again. So you won't tell me say for the next 4 years, leader will still that side. They talk for the radio. My brothers and sisters, make una listen to me. The hour don't reach, make we use our common sense. The only solution for Nigeria and all Nigerians to come together, vote at Muhammad Buhari. Vote him out. Muhammad Buhari has no plan for economy. Muhammad Buhari has no plan for an individual life. Muhammad Buhari has no plan for security, for protection of properties. Muhammad Buhari has no plan. The thing that Muhammad Buhari is doing in Nigeria is to revenge his pains. And those revenging of his pains, he know they hide them, he they show unto all Nigerians. That is why the threat of agitation, where Biafra people just do, where him as a president supposed to call those people, say, come, my children, they could sit down, what to be no problem. Now that thing, only that small threatening, now they go the order for war bullets, because in they see everything like fight, war. Muhammad Buhari, they find trouble, and that is why if you say you no go vote, the thing they pay me. When Muhammad Buhari come in, Nigeria people, make we tell ourselves the truth. This same Muhammad Buhari say there is no negotiation between him and Niger Delta militants. There is no common understanding between him, because he's not ready. He's not ready to give them a listening ear. He said Niger Deltas, their benefits, they no go get them. Their benefits, he said they no go get them. My brothers and sisters, the same man wey deny Niger Delta their benefits, now the same man na Kada Boko Haram give them amnesty. Why the people where they suck their oil, people where oil dig their land, oil don't destroy their houses, destroy their farm, give them bad health, destroy that state. This man denied them amnesty. Now the same man, now we say make we vote now come out, we now say no election. Now that thing they pay me. When I go hear people where I dey respect, I said the Dokubor. But the thing they pay me now, say they no go think. Say this man, if we vote and come out, the man no go get power again. Now with the sharp no election, make the man continue for another 4 years. Make the man continue for another 4 years. Make everybody sit there for media. You there for media, you dey shout. You there for media, you dey talk. What will the solution of media give you? What? You are on media entertaining Nigerians. You are on media just talking on your mouth. Wait till your talk go be. Make I tell Nigerian people, the hour don't reach where we tell ourselves the truth. We no fit beat government where we know they inside. We must be part of the government to make the government good. We must be part of the government, be part of the system before you can change the system. You cannot change a system that you are not part of. If you are not part of the system, that means you are not part of the system. If we not enter the system of the government, there is nothing you can do about it. That is why they beg all Nigerians, they make we use common sense. This man don't cause us many problems. The leadership of this man know they work. The plan where this man get for grant know they work. What did they deceive many people now? APC they say now because Muhammad Buhari won't come fight corruption. Now make people they against that. Now lie. The best way they talk this thing, ask yourself. Those people with their family die, you will fit tell them this thing. Those people with their family die, where government not even think about. Government not even visit them. Government not even compensate them. Those people where S-men go for farm, scatter their farm, kill them. Today where they go farm? Nobody they go farm. Insecurity everywhere. People they fear. Everybody carry their hand for heart. Everybody they panic. Yet some of us go to find English who go take deceive ourselves. That is the problem Nigeria they face. The hour don't reach. Make we vote this man come out. Make una stop all this gambling when they do for Nigeria. Stop am. That's why me I dey beg all Nigerian people. Who they reject, not supposed to reject himself. Nigerian people, if you love yourself and you love Nigeria, I dey beg everyone, join Nigeria Rise Initiative today. We dey build strong Nigerian people, and the day where we go strike, they come. We still dey look for number, because everything we they count for this life na capacity, population is matters a lot. We dey look for number. Nigeria Rise Initiative na the people's voice for Nigeria. We dey gather people solidifying the Nigerians together. Say the day where we go strike, every government go fall. We get the power to install government, we get the power to bring the government down. We are the voice of the people. Power belongs to the masses. Power belongs to the people. Nigerian citizens, stop giving up on Nigeria. Stop saying Nigeria is not good. Stop saying I'm tired of that country. Don't say so. If you say so, what you have just said, interpretation means you are tired of yourself. Nobody is Nigeria. You are the Nigeria. The land, the house, the animals are not Nigeria. Who is Nigeria? It is the citizens. So when you say, I'm tired of that country, I'm tired of that land, what makes that country is you. Don't tire for yourself. Instead of you to tire for yourself, tighten up your belt, join the race. Because great countries today, the great countries that you're comparing with Nigeria, people pay the sacrifice from that country for that country to be good. People pay the sacrifice for that country to be best. So what have you paid as a sacrifice for Nigeria? Join Nigeria Rise Initiative today if you are willing to pay the sacrifice. We are building men and women who are ready to sacrifice their life for the betterment of Nigeria. We want a happy home, where a place we can be proud of, a place we all can say we built together. I'm begging on Nigerians, the hour has come. We must unite in love. Let us unite. Let us unite. Yoruba, Igbo man, Hausa man, let us come together. Enough of this violence in Nigeria. Enough of all these killings. Let us ask ourselves, one simple problem we have. Igbo man can marry Hausa woman. Hausa man can marry Igbo woman. A Yoruba man can marry Igbo woman. Igbo man can marry Yoruba. We marry each other. We have children among ourselves. We have built some kind of love relationship among ourselves. But why every time it comes to politics, we begin to kill ourselves? Why? Because we are not telling ourselves the truth. Now, we have been able to put together and we discover the person that is coming today, Atiku and Obi, we are endorsing them to change the face of this Muhammad Buhari. We want to endorse them. We have endorsed them and we want to vote for them and we are voting for them. We are voting for them to change the face of this government. Let all Nigerians vote Atiku Obi come 2019. 2019 is a time when the people will exercise their power, exercise their authority, exercise their faith. Join us, vote Atiku for 2019. Join us, vote Atiku to stop this bad government. And by the grace of God, when we vote Atiku as the people's voice, Nigeria Rise Initiative, we will still keep monitoring. We will still keep looking to the services of Atiku. If it's not working, then we all shall again rise up against him. Let us learn to build the voice of the people. Don't scatter the voice of the people. Join us today. God will bless you. Let us go for Atiku come 2019. Join us. It is a dream to be accomplished. We want to make sure we keep changing government until we get the right one. Let us exercise the people's voice. Let us exercise the people's power. The greatest thing you can ever do right now is to vote out this government. There is somebody that said, one Yoruba boy said, let us gather our leaders and give them a mass burial. Thank you, my brother. You are well spoken because of anger. But the only mass burial you can give to our leader right now is your voter's card. Vote them out. Vote them out. Don't forget, my name's Sir Webson Henry Chukwudi, the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative Worldwide. This initiative is an initiative of love for the nation. Let us build together and God will bless us. I look forward to talk to you again. Continue my message tomorrow. God bless you.